Good morning and welcome to the Refined Investor. Happy Monday to you all. The crypto market is doing really well right now. In fact, I think we're Monday morning, it's early. Obviously, the markets haven't opened, but it seems like Asia and Europe kind of responded well over the weekend or early Monday morning. And so things look in the right trajectory this week versus last week. Um, I just wanted to talk quickly about what it means to get involved in investments, and specifically around crypto right now, because we're in a wave, in a crypto wave, where it's I liken it to the early days of the crypto the internet boom, basically, which was the mid to late 90s. We're there, but what does that mean? It means that crypto is going to experience a ton of euphoria. It's going to make a lot of money for a lot of people, but it's going to crush a lot of people too, because there are going to be projects just like that in the 90s where there were a lot of those dot-com nothing burgers that just completely collapsed, and those who sold domain names and sold business ideas for millions and millions, perhaps billions, somebody else was left holding the bag, right? Of these failed concepts and businesses. So, you know, I think now is a really important time to get involved, but it's also a really important time to be extremely cautious about what you decide to invest in. There are literally tens of thousands of projects of which will do nothing. In fact, I would even venture to say there are a lot of projects within the top 20 that will end up being very little success stories in the future. Of course, there are some that we know already. Bitcoin, Ethereum, perhaps many people believe Solana, XRP Army believes XRP, and the list goes on, right? There are definitely in the top 10, especially cryptos that have a real life utility. Chainlink, can't leave them out of that list. But there are those that we think might do really well and may not. And it's so what I'm leaving you with now is for you to take the time to make the the research and do the studies and truly understand what you're getting involved in. Understand there's risk in everything, whether it's crypto or not. It doesn't really matter. Stock market contains risks as well, right? So you have to be aware that there's risk involved. And you have to be very calculated and methodical about what you are willing to risk and what's your tolerance and your capabilities. And really try to think of less risk in terms of focusing a bit on the large market cap ones, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. So we'll get more into this in one of the longer videos. Have a great week.